What is osmotolerant yeast? Osmotolerant yeasts, also known as osmophilic yeast, blue yeast, or high sugar tolerant yeast, are strains capable of surviving and growing in high osmotic concentrations. High sugar or salt concentrations can reduce the availability of water, thus impeding regular yeast fermentation and growth. Examples of doughs that can benefit from osmotolerant Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast include donuts, brioche, and bread rolls. Osmotolerant yeast can be commercially found as baker's compressed yeast, active dry yeast, instant yeast. Where does osmotolerant yeast come from? Improving osmotolerance of yeasts relies on ways for accumulating osmoprotectants within yeast cells. Osmoprotectant salts are typically added during the later steps of dry yeast manufacture to improve its osmotolerance, although can lower biomass yields. Function. Similar to regular yeast, osmotolerant yeast can perform these functions in rich doughs. Dough rising, leavening, and production of carbon dioxide. Acidification, reducing pH, a result of production of carbon dioxide and organic acids. Adding flavor and aroma. Flavor compounds produced during fermentation can impart characteristic flavor and aroma to baked goods. Dough conditioning. Some fermentation products act as dough conditioners and increase dough extensibility by gluten relaxation. Commercial production. Commercial osmotolerant dry yeast is obtained through the following process. Conditioning. Molasses is conditioned for its use as food for yeast propagation. Multiplication and maturing. Yeast cells are added to molasses and placed in a series of containers. Nitrogen is removed and supply of molasses is increased at 84.2 to 93.2 degrees Fahrenheit, or 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. Incremental levels 0.3 to 1% of salts such as sodium chloride, potassium chloride, or magnesium chloride are added to improve yeast osmotic tolerance. Separation. Yeast cells are separated from wort using centrifugation for cream recovery. Drying. The yeast cream is dried to appropriate moisture using a vacuum dryer. Packaging. Dried yeast pellets are packaged in 125 to 500 gram sachets, or 10 kilogram packets. How to use osmotolerant yeast. Osmotolerant yeast is commonly used in rich doughs, high sugar or salt, such as croissant, brioche and sweetbreads, donuts, Danish pastry and coffee cakes. Osmophilic yeasts are commonly used in frozen doughs. Osmotolerant yeast can perform well at sugar content above 5% and as high as 25%. Salt content between 2 to 2.5%. Low water activity systems. Advantages of using osmotolerant yeast. Provides around 10 to 20% more activity in rich doughs than its non-osmotolerant counterparts. Provides uniform fermentation through the whole baking process. Imparts a higher resistance to preservatives. Provides higher tolerance to high baking temperatures. Improves machinability. Reduces mixing time by 10 to 30% compared to compressed yeast. Here are some considerations to keep in mind when working with osmotolerant yeast. Osmotolerant yeast usage level is between 1 to 3% in baker's percentage. Mix osmotolerant yeast with flour or during the initial stages of mixing. Avoid direct contact with ice-cold water. Increase dough temperature around 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.5 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, for optimum fermentation level. Looking to substitute this yeast? Here's what you need to know. Osmotolerant yeast can be substituted with regular active dry yeast by increasing the usage level up to 7 to 10% of the flour weight. Instant dry yeast may perform similarly to osmotolerant yeast if dissolved in warm water before usage. Do you want to discover more about this and other types of yeast? Visit BAKERpedia.